my general comment about my teacher, and I'm also telling you guys how I feel about my teacher. Okay, if you can see the first line, I really like my teacher. So here I'm telling you guys how I feel towards my teacher, and also the general comment is that, and so does everyone in the school. And nobody ever has a bad word to say about her. I hope I can gain that kind of respect from people in the future too. All right, so now we are finished with this paragraph. The next one, I'm going to share you the plan, meaning that, okay, if you guys remember, if you want to begin any essay or anything, you need to have a plan, right? Okay, so this same goes to writing an essay. So this is the plan. Wait, ah. Okay, can you see the plan? Wait, wait. Wait, I'm minimizing the size. Right. Okay, so for this essay, okay, you need to have the introduction. Second, the main part. Main part must have two paragraphs. And the last one, you need to have the conclusion. If you count this one, we have two paragraph means that two plus one is three, and then plus another one is conclusion. So four, right? So if you look back at this, at the previous slide, we have four paragraph. Okay, one. Wait, I know it's a bit. Okay, if you count, okay, first is the introduction, two main parts, and also the conclusion. Okay, now I will explain to you guys the introduction. Wait, okay, so you guys can see, right? Okay, so the first paragraph is the introduction. So in introduction, you need to give the general information about the person. For example, the name, relationship to you, and also job. For example, in my essay paragraph just now, okay, I put Puan Siti Hajar binti Cik Ahmad is the name of the person that I admire. Okay, next, relationship to you, I mentioned is that she is my secondary school teacher. And job here, she works at SMK Alma teaching Malay language and history. So same goes to you guys lah. For example, Gajendran, do you have anyone that you admire?
No, teacher.
No. Why no? You must have at least someone so that you can follow him or her as an example to your life. Anyone here wants to share the person that you admire? Shwada, do you have anyone in your mind? No. Okay. Najiha, siapa? Who? Who is that? Is that a celebrity? Huh? Oh, influencer. Ini IG is apa? Insta famous, right? Okay, I heard their name, but I'm not following them. Okay, so you give the if you want to write the essay later, you must put the person's name, Shafika Aina, right? Okay, so you put lah the person I admire the most is an Insta famous. Her name is Shafika Aina. If you know the full name, you write lah Shafika Aina binti what, and also her husband. Her husband, the full name. Also, you put lah, they work as influencer or anything that you know about the person. Okay, so for the relationship to you is that just put that first, sorry, just put that person is an influencer where you found them from Instagram. You follow their Instagram. You've been following them since, for example, 2016. You put lah the general information so that I can know who is that person. Okay. Okay. So any question? No. Okay. Next we go to the the main part. Where we have two paragraphs just now, right? Okay, so the first paragraph for the main part is we need to describe the person's personality and give examples to support your opinion. Okay, from the example that I've given to you, okay, the personality of my teacher here I put is that she is the most dedicated person I know. So that is her personality lah. One of the personality, one of the quality. So and then I give you example. Example here is that she sacrifices her time to teach and deliver the knowledge to her students. And she really loves her job and will not change it for anything. That shows how dedicated my teacher is towards her teaching. Okay, so and then you put lah, if that person have another quality that you admire, you put lah. For example, Syafiqah Aina just now, she is hardworking. I don't know. I don't really know that person. So if you know better, right, Najiha? So you put lah, she is hardworking. So you elaborate lah. For example, she is hardworking. How is she hardworking? For example, she sells product and so on lah. Okay, so any question for this one? No.
No.
Right?
No.
Okay, wait okay, I've received message from Gajendran here. Can anyone forward the slide to Gajendran? Because he has low storage. He cannot download it. Okay. Okay, now we proceed to the next slide. Wait Okay, the next slide is the second paragraph for main part. Okay, so for this paragraph, you need to say what influence the person has had on you or other people. You know, right? What is the meaning of influence? Yes? Influence. Can you hear me? Tak dengar?
Macam sangkut-sangkut.
Wait ke?
Sangkut-sangkut ni.
Wait Wait. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. I think maybe the internet kot. Okay, it's okay lah. So, okay. Do you know what is the meaning of influence? No? Anyone else know what is the meaning of influence? Huh? Lupa? Why lupa? Okay, influence here means that, okay, for example, just now you said Syafiqah Aina, right? Okay, Syafiqah Aina is basically just a normal person. But then, when she do something, for example, Najiha, can you give example what Syafiqah Aina has done? She sell makeup, beauty product. Okay, beauty product. Okay, for example, Syafiqah Aina sells beauty products and she also consume the product, right? And she has flawless skin and so on. So when you see Syafiqah Aina have flawless skin, she take care of her health, her skin, and then you also want to follow her to become like her. So that is how Syafiqah Aina has influenced you. So do you get the meaning of influence here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so very good. Okay, so for my essay here, my teacher, okay, I'm telling you guys how my teacher has influenced me is that my teacher has been encouraging and supporting me in many ways, especially in my studies. Okay, because before this, I was very bad in my studies lah during my secondary school. I was very bad. I was very stupid lah. Because I'm not very good at maths and so on. So my teacher, she believes in me. She said that I should not give up, and also she herself, she shows me that I can do it. And I also sometimes I know that I cannot do it, but then I reflect back. My teacher can do that. How come I cannot do that? So she's the one that have been encouraging me lah. And also she has done a lot to boost my self confidence, because before this I cannot speak like this lah. I cannot speak in public like this. But then with my teacher's help, she said that she's been training me lah to speak in front and so on. So later I gain the confidence lah. So that's how my teacher influenced me. Okay, so you get it? Yes.
Yes.
All right. Now we move on to the last paragraph, which is the conclusion. So just now, Danish, Irfan said that the conclusion is where I give my comment, right? So that is correct. So you make a general comment about the person and say how you feel about him or her. Okay, I think I've mentioned about this just now, but let me explain again. So here say how you feel about him or her. So here I'm telling you guys that, okay, the first one, I really like my teacher. So later Najiha, you say lah, I really like Syafiqah Aina, and so does everyone in Instagram. Okay, okay, and then you give general comment lah. You want to become like her one day. You want to become popular and so on lah.